So today we are going to see a GD based video. My student will continue this. Thank you.
So the question is, find the directional derivative of the function 2x square plus 2xy at the point 1 comma minus 1 comma 3 in the direction of I vector 2k vector. So the formula is del phi dot n cap.
Actually here they have defined a function pi. Okay, pi is x squared plus 2xy and they have given a point, some particular point, and then in the direction they are referring the direction. So the direction means a vector. So a vector is I plus 2j plus 2k. Okay, then what is the formula for n cap? Anyone know that?
A vector
divided by modulus of a vector. Yes. Continue.
So here in the questions they have given that the pi value is x square plus 2xy and they gave the point that 1 comma minus 1 comma 3 and they gave that a vector equal to I vector plus 2j vector and 2k vector. Now we are substituting in the formula. The formula is del phi is equal to I dou phi by dou x plus j vector dou phi by dou y plus k vector dou phi by dou x. Here now we substitute that in this formula instead of phi we are substituting x square plus 2xy. Now if we substitute it I vector dou by dou x here x square plus 2xy and plus j vector dou by dou y x square plus 2y and the k vector dou by dou y is x square plus y. When we differentiate it we get instead of initiating dou by dou x. So we are differentiating x in this equation. So we get 2x plus 2y and the next we differentiate with respect to y. So we will get 2x and then the next the k vector we differentiate dou by dou z. So next we will get x plus y. There is no k z vector, so we will get 0. And finally after this we take the 2 as common. So 2x plus y I cap into 2x j cap. So there is no k vector in this. After that we substitute that point in the where the question is 1 comma minus 1 3. When we substitute it instead of x y we will get 2 j vector. The balance will continue by Jayashree.
So as we know the direction is given as a vector is equal to I vector plus 2j vector and 2k vector. When we are doing modulus we have to square all the coefficients of the vectors. So 1 square is equal to 1 and 2 square is 4 and 2 square is 4. When we are adding both 3 we get 9 and we also know that the root of 9 is 3. So modulus of a vector is 3 and you know the formula of n cap, that is a vector divided by modulus of a vector. As we know the a vector is the quotient, it's already given in the question like I vector plus 2j vector plus 2k vector. We have written this and we have also find the modulus of a vector. So the n cap is I vector plus 2j vector plus 2k vector divided by 3. Now we know the formula of directional derivative which was explained by Chivika, del phi dot n cap. Value of del phi is 2j vector into n cap. So we already know that I vector into I vector is 1 and j vector into j vector is 1. K vector dot k vector is 1. So when we multiply both this I vector and j vector become 0. So only we can multiply j vector and j vector. So 2 into 2 4 and j vector becomes 1. So we just keep as a denominator as 3 and we got our directional derivative as 4 by 3. Okay, if they ask greatest value of del phi, we have to
Greatest rate of increase.
If they ask greatest rate of increase, we have to find modulus of del phi. We already know del phi is nothing but 2j vector. So when we take modulus of del phi, we have to take square root and square the value of coefficient of j vector. So by squaring the coefficient of j vector, we get root 4 and we taking square root, we get answer 2. So the greatest increase is 2.
Thank you.